everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hello, I'm Kristen. I do a lot of review videos. I find ways to make them super exciting for everybody because I know not everybody likes review videos, but I know people like things that I do with the products I receive. So today I am going to be putting together, which mind you, I just finished putting it together, but I'm going to show you how I put together this L-shaped office desk. I am sorry I don't have more like fun and exciting things to go along with this, but this took me 2 days. It took me 2 whole days to put together because I just started getting aggravated, and maybe it was just because of some things that I received. And I'm not saying that this, you know, this product is terrible, but from what I received, there was so many pieces that were bent, so we had to rig this desk to make it work. So luckily my husband was here so he could help me bend some pieces back together, because you will see in the video that I get aggravated and I know how to put things together. I put desks together, I put all kinds of stuff together. Like, I'm not helpless. I put TV stands together by myself. Like, it's not like I don't know how to do things. So before anybody wants to like point that out, I don't have anything else to go along with this except now I'm just like done being stressed out. But you are going to watch me put a desk together. You know, I'm gonna let you know that if you're a woman and you think that you can't do it, you totally can do it no matter what. So we're gonna leave that there. This company called Ulikit, I'm gonna say Ulikit, they sent me this desk and I put it together, and then they offered me, you know, a free desk just to review it. And once it's put together, it is actually like a very nice put together desk. If you're looking for something this big, they're going to offer a 50% off code. So I will leave the links in the description box below along with the promo code. So if you guys do want to check this out, to let you know that I just struggled with bent pieces. But I mean, I hate to just say that every single time you purchase something from a company, it's going to be bent. So, you know, to each your own, you guys. I'm not going to put a company down ever because that's just not what I do. But if I have an issue with anything, I will let you guys know. And that was my issue here, but we managed and we bent the pieces how they're supposed to be. And now we have a well put together desk. So if I want to sit on top of it, it will hold up. So without further ado, I am going to get going and show you how I put together this.
So first I took everything out of the box, and I wish it was this fast, but it totally wasn't. But this is everything that it came with, and the directions were pretty self-explanatory. I mean, they didn't have a step-by-step instructions, but the pictures actually did help a lot. So I didn't really have any issues putting it together. So that made my life way easier. Okay, so here is where the huge struggle was. So you have to take a hammer and you have to pound this piece down into like these little ridges, and these were the things that were super bent and super crooked. So even if I kind of like halfway got it in there, like it just like the whole thing was just crooked, and oh, I was getting so frustrated. So I just moved on to the other side, and like I said, this was really easy, and I'm not gonna like tell you how to put this together, but you just get the gist of it, guys. Alright, so as you can tell, it is the next day because I have different clothes on, and after my husband went to work, I was able to put everything together since he did help me bend the pieces to where they needed to be. And like I said, I am not discriminating against this company whatsoever. I'm just letting you know that I had a piece or two that were bent, and we just rig them and fix them. But like I said, it doesn't always happen. Like, things happen. I buy things at Target or Walmart and have to return it because it was missing a piece or something like that. So, you know, it happens. So this was like the time I was getting super relieved that the desk was finally almost done, because the tops were on and all it took was, I think, 6 screws per board to actually just screw these right in. And they do give you like a little wrench and a little screwdriver, but like power tools work way faster and way better for me. So whether I was supposed to use that or not, like, don't go by what I did. I'm telling you, they came with their own little tools to put together, but no, I don't have time and I don't have patience, so here's me just working away with my power tools. And this is what it looks like when it is all done, and it is all black and it's pretty big. So, but it's actually a pretty nice desk, I have to admit. It's a very nice and like slick looking. Like, I think it's really pretty. So if it is something you're interested in, I will leave the links in the description box below, so you'll be able to check that out along with a promo code. All right, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!